नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द पर
Offering of the Uttamotama Seva at the feet of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva is the offering of Chaturvedam. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akhilanda Kodi Brahmanda Nayaka Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Chaturveda Priya Chaturvedam Avadharaya Om Agnimi Ire Purohitam Yajnasya Devam Ritwijam Hota Aram Ratnadhatamam Hari Om Ishetorje Tva Vagyavasto Vagyavastasya Devo Vassavita Prarpayata Jeshtatamaya Karmane Hari Om Agna Ayahi Vitaye Grinano Havyatataye Nihocha Sachi Parijishi Hari Om Shanno Devi Rabhishtaya Apo Pavantu Vijaye Shayyorabhishravantu Naha Hari Om Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akhilanda Kodi Brahmanda Nayaka Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Agamasloka Priya Agamasloka Navadharya Sarvam Degahatam Dravyam Vyadvyaptam Rigekshane Vibhavayeta Tasyasya Pavana Sastira Bhavet Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akhilanda Kodi Brahmanda Nayaka Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Samagana Priya Samaganam Avadharya Etat Samagayannaste Ha Ahamannam Ahamannadaha Ahagrishlokagrite Ahamasmi Pradamajarutasya Purvan Devebhyo Amritasya Na Bayi Yoma Vitata Saiteva Ma Vaha Ahamannamannamadantamagni Aham Vishwam Bhuvanamabhya Bhavan Suvarnajyotihi Evam Veda Ityupanishate Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akhilanda Kodi Brahmanda Nayaka Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Stotra Priya Stotram Avadharya Shrikantadruginopamanyutapana Skandendra Natyadayaha Prachina Puravopi Yasya Karuna Deshagada Gauravam Tam Sarvadigurum Manognya Vapusham Mandasmitalankritam Chinmudrankita Mudrapalinarinam Chitte Shivam Kurmahe Dushvapna Dushyagana Durgatita Dharmanasya Durbiksha Durvyasana Dussahadaryashamshi Utpatatapa Vishabhiti Masagrahati Vyagimshana Shayatame Jagadamadishaha Om Namo Bhagavate Sadashivaya Sakala Tattvatmakaya Sarvamantra Swarupaya Sarvayantradhishtitaya Sarvatantra Swarupaya Sarvatattva Vidhuraya Brahmarudravatarini Nilakantaya Parvati Manoharaya Somasuryagnilochanaya भस्मोद्धूलितविग्रहाय महामणिमकुटधारणाय माणिक्यभूषणाय सृष्टिस्थितिप्रलयकालरौद्रावताराय दक्षाध्वरध्वंसकाय महाकालभेदनाय मूलाधारैकनिलयाय तत्त्वातीताय गंगाधराय सर्वदेवादिदेवाय षडाश्रयाय सकलवेदान्तसाराय त्रिवर्गसाधनाय अनन्तकोटिब्रह्माण्डनायकाय अनन्तवासुकितक्षककारकोटकशङ्खगुलिकपद्ममहापद्मेति अष्टमहानागकुलभूषणाय प्रणवस्वरूपाय चिदाकाशाय आकाशदिक्स्वरूपाय ग्रहनक्षत्रमालिने सकलाय कलङ्करहिताय सकललोकैककर्त्रे सकललोकैकभर्त्रे सकललोकैकहर्त्रे सकललोकैकसंहर्त्रे सकललोकैकगुरवे सकललोकैकसाक्षिणे सकलनिगमगुह्याय सकलवेदान्तपारगाय सकललोकैकवरप्रदाय सकललोकैकशङ्कराय शशाङ्कशेखराय शाश्वतनिजावासाय निराभासाय निरामयाय निर्मलाय निर्लोभाय निर्मधाय निश्चिन्ताय निरहङ्काराय निरङ्कुशाय निष्कामाय निरुपप्लवाय निरवध्याय निरन्तराय निष्कारणाय निरन्तकाय निष्प्रपञ्चाय निश्चङ्गाय निर्द्वन्द्वाय निराधाराय निरागाय निष्क्रोधाय निर्मलाय निष्पापाय निर्भयाय निर्विकल्पाय निर्भेदाय निष्क्रियाय निस्तुलाय निःसंशयाय निरञ्जनाय निरुपमभिभवाय नित्य शुद्ध बुद्ध परिपूर्ण सच्चिदानन्दाद्वयाय परमशान्तस्वरूपाय तेजोरूपाय तेजोमयाय जय जय रुद्र महारौद्र भद्रावतार महाभैरव कालभैरव कल्पान्तभैरव कपालमालाधर खट्वांग खड्ग चर्म पाशांकुश डमरू शूल चाप भान गद शक्ति भिंदिपाल तोमर मुशल मुद्गर पाश परिग भुचुंडी शतग्नि चक्राद्यायुध भीषणकर सहस्रमुखदं श्राकरालवधन विकटाटहास विस्पारित ब्रह्मांड मंडल नागेन्द्र कुंडल नागेन्द्रहार नागेन्द्र चर्मधर मृत्युंजय त्रयंबक त्रिपुरांधक विश्वरूप विरूपाक्ष विश्वेश्वर वृषभवाहन विश्वतोमुख सर्वतो रक्ष रक्ष मां ज्वल ज्वल महामृत्युम् अपमृत्युभयं नाशय नाशय चोरभयम् उच्छादय उच्छादय विषसर्पभयं शमय शमय चोरान् मारय मारय मम शत्रून् उच्छादय उच्छादय त्रिशूलेन विधारय विधारय कुठारेण भिन्दि भिन्दि खड्गेन छिन्दि छिन्दि कट्वाङ्गेन विपोतय विपोतय मुसलेन निष्पेषय निष्पेषय बाणैः सन्ताडय सन्ताडय रक्षांसि भीषय भीषय अशेषभूतानि विद्रावय विद्रावय कूष्माण्ड मारीच वेदाल ब्रह्मराक्षसगणान् सन्त्रासय सन्त्रासय माम् अभयं कुरु कुरु वित्रस्त्वं माम् आश्वासय आश्वासय दुःखादरं माम् आनन्दय आनन्दय शिवकवचेन माम् आच्छादय आच्छादय मृत्युञ्जय त्र्यम्बक सदाशिव नमस्ते नमस्ते देवदेवोत्तम देवता सार्वभौम अखिलांड कोटि ब्रह्मांड नायक श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिव द्राविड वेद प्रिय द्राविड वेदम अवधारय शिवा तिरुचित्रंबलम तोडुडय सेवियन विडगेरिवोर्तुवेन मदिसूडी काडुडय सुडलै படிப்பூசியனுள்ளம் கவக்கல்வன் ஏடுடைய மலரால் முன்னை நான் பணிந்தேத்த அருள் செய்த பீடுடைய பிரமாபுரமேவிய பெம்மானிவனன்றே முற்றல்லாமை இள நாகமோடு என முளைக்கொம்பு அவை போன்று கற்றல்லோடு கலனா பலிந்தேத்தனதுள்ளம் கவர்கல்வன் ஆற்றல் கேட்டல்லுடையார் பெரியார் கழல் கையால் தொழுதெத்த பெற்றமுர்ந்த பிரமா புறமேவிய பெம்மானிவனன்றே நீர் பரந்த நிமிர் புன்சடை மேலோர் நிலா வெண்மதி சூடி ஏற்பரந்த இனவெல்வனை சோர என்னுள்ளம் கவர் கல்வன் ஊர் பரந்த உலகின் முதலாகிய ஓரூர் இது என்ன போர் பரந்த பிரமா புறமேவிய பெம்மானிவனன்றே. சிவா திருச்சிற்றம்பலம். The next offering, Adautamutama Siva, at the feet of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva, is the offering of Shakti Avishkarana. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhuma Akilanda Kodi Brahmanda Nayaka Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Paramashiva Shakti Avishkarana Priya Paramashiva Shakti Avishkaranam Avadharya.
नित्यानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि. Nityananda, I welcome all the viewers, all the Adikailaya-vasis and everybody else, devotees and disciples who are watching this Uttamottama Seva to this offering of the Paramashiva Shakti Avishkarana, the offering of Shakti's powers expressed from the extraordinary space of oneness, which manifests from the experience of connecting to Swamiji, who is a form of Paramashiva and Parashakti themselves. In today's Shakti Avishkarana, I have two people with me who are unique in different aspects of life, but co-joined with one purpose and one vision for their life. That is Swamiji. In today's Shakti Avishkarana, the very thought current that generates responses to life is what we are going to be seeing. The beautiful explanation that Swamiji gave in today's satsang about seeking being the first instinctive response in our life. All of us have a certain thought pattern that we respond to life with. Even in your sleep, if you're woken up, that thought pattern, that thought current in you just starts generating as a first response to life. Each of us, based on our judgments about the past or our inbuilt way of thinking, which is created by the society, is what we respond based on. And many people feel stuck with their way of thinking. If you all think how it can be changed, is there a way for it to be changed? Because many times we put our effort. Even recently I met up with a person who told me that for the past 20 years, he's been struggling to manage to just control his diet. But it becomes difficult because again and again, consciously, he keeps getting back into that pattern of eating. Though we know solutions that yes, there is a diet or whatever is a side effect of eating junk food, but we again and again consciously or unconsciously pull ourselves back to certain thought currents, to certain thought patterns. Only the experience of being Paramashiva, only the experience of having control over whatever we do. You call it control, I call it powerful cognition, because control is entirely different. Control is when you try to pressurize yourself for something that is not happening within you. But powerful cognition is you taking a decision from your very being with the understanding of the purpose of why it happens the way it happens. All of you need to understand that one way, one method that can really be powerful, a ferocious call from your physical body to align yourself, to be in that space of the cosmic union with your body, mind and inner space. One extraordinary way it can happen is through Nityananda Yoga, where physically you bend your body. If you can bend your body the way you want, you can bend your mind as you want. This extraordinary science is going to be revealed to all of us by Swamiji himself directly, and all of you can be part of this extraordinary direct webinar that Swamiji is going to give, and you can offer your gratitude and receive boon from Swamiji on June 21st to know the exact truths about the Paramashiva Yoga. Same way, being part of this rare history and spreading this joy and happiness to people, the best way that you can do it is go to Facebook. To all the viewers who are already on Facebook, just go to Swamiji's account, Sri Nityananda Paramashivam on Facebook, and you can choose to share his post, his very own words, his very own definition, and his very own revelations. You can share it to your friends and get this powerful cognition in you. The more you share, the more stronger the cognitions become. So to all the viewers here, let us all share at least to 50 of our friends and 50 of the groups. Let's share it to hundreds of people, and let us all gain the experience of this cognition manifesting as reality in our life. So to all those who are watching, to experience control, to experience powerful cognition within you, make sure you share and make sure you watch Swamiji's satsangs to understand what exactly can shift you. One experience that can really bring a ferocious call to your being is manifesting powers. You may not be able to wake up every day, you may not be able to control your diet, you may not be able to control your emotions, you may not be able to get out of your relationship problems, you may not be able to get out of your wealth problems, but one thing that can take you beyond all of it is breaking your identity of being whoever you are, the confined identity that you create of whoever you are. Breaking all of it to expand yourself that I am Paramashiva and I can manifest powers because I am Paramashiva. That experience of you being Paramashiva will simply take you beyond all of the human emotions and logics that you bring in. Today, to share it experientially, here I have Ma Vanshika, who is a very recent Balasant from Nityananda Gurukul. And I have one more special person who has joined us, and I'm going to request Ma to introduce herself. So Ma, you can just introduce where you're from and which place you are, and just a little bit background about yourself for people to also know.
Nityanandam. Okay. My name is Ma'ala, and I'm one of the Paramashivata participants. I'm an Adinavasi.
Okay. So, having come from a very, a normal walk of life like other people, you must have lots of ideas and you must have lots of experiences on what happens in the world outside, the pressure it runs with, the conditions it runs with, the way the society decides what you should do, when you should do. Even your food habit, even the way you talk or walk is decided by the society. Actually, each of us outside unconsciously live as a slave to something that doesn't exist. Each of us follows some fashion, some trend, but who knows who creates it. But it just gets created. It's a pressure that the society puts on us. So having all of this experience and living in this life here with Paramashiva, breaking all of the societal understandings, the way of pain, pleasure, everything, right? So you must have a different experience on both the ends. So today you're going to help me share with people on how it happens. So before that, we are going to be manifesting the power of third eye that shows the extraordinary will persistence, manifesting to meet the complete extended reality of yours, the Paramashiva space of yours. So I'm going to have Ma Vanshika, who is going to be demonstrating it for us today. And I am having an eye band with me, which is designed by the ophthalmologist. And I'm going to be showing this, I'm going to be showing this to all of you and making it verified, and then I'm going to be putting this on Ma Vanshika and covering her eyes. So before that, I request you to check and ensure that there is no gap, there is no, there's no machines or anything attached to it. You can verify and you can share to people.
I'll try myself. Yes, you cannot see anything.
Okay, amazing. So now, this is just a normal plastic eye band with sponge in front so that it sticks to your skin and you have no space or possibility to see. So this is what I'm going to be putting on Ma Vanshika's eyes also. So now I'm going to be tying it on her eyes, completely covering all the gaps. Yes, so Ma Vanshika, you all can see that it's completely towards the center and up, down, there is no gap and there's no possibility to see. So all of you can see and I've completely covered her eyes. Now, I'm going to request Ma to write any word, anything that she wants, anything that is not commonly known to people. So I'm going to request Ma to write it. And meanwhile, as she writes, I'm going to be chanting the Shastra Pramana, the exact verses in the source scriptures, the exact way in which Paramashiva has revealed the science of third eye to the entire humanity. So, in the Vijnana Bhairava Tantra, there's a beautiful verse in which Paramashiva reveals about this very power. So, I'm going to be chanting the Shastra Pramana, the exact verse, the source scripture from which Paramashiva has revealed. So, it is the 34th Sutra and the 11th Dharana of the Vijnana Bhairava Tantra. कपालान्तर्मनोन्यस्य तिष्ठन्मीलितलोचना क्रमेण मनसोदार्द्यात् लक्ष्ये लक्ष्यमुत्तमम् कपालान्तर्मनोन्यस्य तिष्ठन्मीलितलोचना क्रमेण मनसोदार्द्यात् लक्ष्ये लक्ष्यमुत्तमम्. The translation of this verse goes on as above. In this verse, Paramashiva beautifully reveals about how just by fixing the mind on the inner space within the crown center and sitting stably without any movement and having the eyes closed, in succession by that stability of the mind and inner space, through the power of third eye, one directly sees the ultimate goal, the Lakshyam, having this vision beyond the sight that reveals any object or place attaining the space of oneness with the source, Paramashiva. And the science of how it happens is a unique experience to every single being. For some in the front, for some behind, for some all around. Swamiji, at the young age of 12, had the experience of a complete 360-degree vision through his third eye. And to us, the favorite inheritors of Swamiji, this legacy is being passed on by him through the power of initiation by Avatar himself. So Ma, you ready? Okay, this is quite a lot and I'm going to show it to you all before I show it to her. So I'm going to be giving this to Ma Vanshika for her to read. So Ma Vanshika, you ready? So I'm going to hold the mic in front of you and you can share whatever you're seeing. So as she's saying, I just want to ensure to all of you that I have completely covered the gaps. There is no gap in the side and I have completely made the adjustments just to double check to all the viewers. Yes, So now once you're ready, you can let me know. I'll give you the mic for you to share. So as she's chanting the Mahavakya and connecting, how the societal conditionings break through these powers. Understand that all of us have a certain way of how we are expected by the society, the so-called trend, the so-called expectation that the society sets on how we should talk, walk, how we should behave. It kinds of rules every action of our life, right from the way I recently read an article in the Facebook. The way we walk or the way we smile or the way we breathe, like how we take the breath, determines our character and personality. What else should be decided by the society? Even the way we breathe, how we take the breath in and how we breathe out. Understand, having a graceful body language, a divine body language, is different from having been forced on to follow the trend, to follow the fashion. Unconsciously, these societal pressures starts determining the way we should, the way we start thinking about us in life. Never to be a leader, but always to be bound by the rules that the society creates. So each of these rules that is set by the society starts determining our way of response to life. And this is what starts getting broken with the power of third eye and various such extraordinary powers. Where the first thing that breaks within us is us confining ourselves to this identity of being a human and limiting ourselves to such cognitions. So Mavanshika, you ready? Okay, shall I give you the mic?
I am able to see length, breadth, ferociousness.
Wow, beautiful. And there's few more. So can you read out the rest also? Exactly as you told, the length, breadth and ferociousness is there. And there's a few more. This Mahavakya is a sacred, beautiful chant that instantly puts you into the space of oneness, instantly connects you to Swamiji, the cosmic source of every experience that can happen to the human, to evolve it to the divine. So, just that connection will give us the glimpse of whatever experience we want. So, as she's chanting, I request all the viewers and everybody else to chant the Mahavakya with your head, neck, and spine in a straight line and tune yourself to the space of oneness, to the experience of oneness. Yes, so once you're ready, you can let us know. You ready? Okay.
Darshan, Kalpatru, Shastra Pramana.
Wow, that was just precise to the point. There is one more last word. So, can you see where it is and read out the word you left? You started from length, breadth, and you went down, but there's one more word that is left. Can you see through your third eye? What is the one word that you have missed? She's literally read one whole page of words written. And just one thing that I want to share, that Ma Vanshika has been one of the Gurukul kids who have been initiated just through the Divya Sharira of Swamiji, just through Swamiji's verbal initiation, and has never met Swamiji physically. Just with her experience of oneness with Swamiji, and just through that initiation, she's been able to manifest all these extraordinary powers. Yes, you ready? Okay.
dimensions.
Wow. Yes. So that is it. And that is the result of will persistence. So she has read the words that's written all over the page through her third eye, and just with connecting to Swamiji in the space of oneness, she's been able to read it precisely to the point. So here's all the words that I request everyone to see, all the viewers also to see. Yes. So thank you, Ma Vanshika, and thank you, Ma. I hope this will make all the viewers around all over the world understand that anything, any psychological thought pattern that needs to be broken can happen through a decision that takes years of practice to break, or through an initiation, the life of Kailayavasi that just takes one initiation to have these experiences start happening in you. So with this, I thank all the viewers and everybody else who have been part of this Shakti Avishkarana. Stay tuned to experience and enjoy the further sevas. And I offer our gratitude to Swamiji to have come down and given all of us the experience of the state, space and powers of Paramashiva. Thank you, Nityanandam.
नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द
The next offering of the Uttamotama Seva at the feet of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva is the offering of Nritta Seva. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhuma Akilanda Kodi Brahmanda Nayaka Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Nrittappe Nrittam Avadharya.
नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्
I bless you all. Let you all open all your three eyes and manifest the powers of Mahasadashiva.
ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् 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 ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्
जय जय दीकिटबुदर कट किन्नं दीकिटबुदर कट जय जय तदीकै तुदीकै याனை முகத்தவ திக்கிட கிட தகி திக்கி தொங்க தேவர்கள் கணபதி நம் கிட கிட தகி திக்கி தொங்க கணபதி கௌதுவம் கற்றவர் விநாயகர் உப்புடுதாம் உப்புடுதை தக்குதி குத கீட துங்கிட கிட தகிதம் தங்கி கிட தக திக்குத்தாம் தத்தாம் அரிதிரு முருகனே விக்ன விநாயக வினை கெடருளிய गणपति जय जय दीकिटबुदर कट जय जय तदीकै तुदीकै याனை முகத்தவர் திக்கிட கிட தகி திக்கி தொங்க தேவர்கள் கணபதி நம் கிட கிட தகி திக்கி தொங்க கணபதி கௌதுவம் கற்றவர் விநாயகர் உப்புடுதாம் உப்புடுதை தக்குதி குத கீட தொங்கிட கிட தகிதம் தங்கி கிட தக திக்குத்தாம் தத்தாம் தத்தா
नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द
समेत श्री नित्यानंद The next offering at the feet of Sri Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva is the offering of Sangeeta Seva. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akilanda Kodi Brahmanda Nayaka Sri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Sangeeta Priya Sangeetam Avadharaya.
आनन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतम् भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि।
परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द.
The next offering of the Uttamotama Seva at the feet of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramshiva is the offering of Tirukailaya Vadyam. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhuma Akilanda Kodi Brahmanda Nayaka Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramshiva Tirukailaya Vadya Priya Tirukailaya Vadyam Modharya.
नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द. परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्या